Hello, and welcome to ClipCall. I'm Ronit, your ClipCall Customer Success Manager. Thanks for joining our community. In this tutorial, I'd like to tell you all about ClipCall Prime. You'll find the option to join ClipCall Prime in your quote. ClipCall quotes have several payment options available to you. You can pay for a job outright, or become a ClipCall Prime member and pay at a discounted rate, or choose to finance the project for free. When you become a part of ClipCall Prime, you not only become eligible for some great alternative payment options, but you get access to all kinds of great perks. ClipCall Prime members enjoy up to 15% off of any given project, free financing for up to 12 months at 0% APR, huge discounts for emergency services booked through ClipCall, a personal account manager, and more. And there's no huge commitment. You can cancel at any time. Too good to be true? Believe it. If you have any credits available to you, you can choose to apply them by checking this box. This will be reflected in the pricing above. When you're ready to book, hit the button for the payment option of your choice and enter in your payment information. Payments are always secure and your money is set aside in escrow until after the job is done and you have approved transfer. We'll be in touch post-job to see how you're liking the work that was done for you. Well, that's all I've got for now. Thanks for joining our marketplace and community. I'm Ronit, your ClipCall Customer Success Manager. As I always say, your success is my success.